In this video, I'll show you how to blur photos in Google Photos. Tap on the photo that you'd like to blur, and at the bottom, you want to come along and tap on the edit button. That'll open up this menu that you can drag across. So it says suggestions, crop, and then you want to choose tools. Then above that, press on blur. That'll load up the blur section. So you have blur and you have depth. So if we increase the blur, that'll blur around this cursor that we have in the image. So for example, if we put the cursor at the top, then all around the image will be blurred. So if you want to blur the entire image, you put the blur right up to 100, and then come along and tap on depth and decrease that all the way down to 0, and then put this cursor in the top right or top left of the image, and you can see the entire photo is blurred. So when you've done that, press done and then save copy. So that's how to blur photos in Google Photos. Thank you for watching.